In a tranquil Zen monastery nestled high in the mountains, a young monk named Kenji often wondered about wealth and prosperity. He had heard stories of people accumulating great riches and wondered if there was a way to achieve such abundance while living a life of simplicity and virtue. Seeking wisdom, Kenji approached the revered Zen Master Ryota. Master Ryota, Kenji began, bowing deeply. I have heard tales of great riches and prosperity. How can one become truly rich? Master Ryota smiled and said, "Come with me, Kenji." They walked through the serene garden until they reached a small, lush vegetable patch. Master Ryota pointed to the thriving plants. Look at these vegetables. They are rich in their own way, providing nourishment and sustenance. But they did not become this way overnight. It started with a single seed. He handed Kenji a seed and said, "Plant this seed and care for it." Kenji planted the seed, watered it, and tended to it daily. Weeks passed, and the seed sprouted into a healthy plant. One day, Master Ryota returned and asked, "What have you learned from nurturing this plant?" "I have learned patience and the importance of consistent care," Kenji replied. Master Ryota nodded. To become rich, you must understand that wealth, like this plant, grows over time. It requires patience, dedication, and consistent effort. They continued their walk and reached a large, clear pond. Master Ryota picked up a small pebble and handed it to Kenji. "Throw this pebble into the pond," he instructed. Kenji did so, and ripples spread across the water. "Notice how the ripples expand," Master Ryota said. Wealth is like these ripples. When you invest your time, skills, and resources wisely, the benefits spread and multiply. True richness comes from wise investments and the ability to create value that extends beyond yourself. Master Ryota then took Kenji to the edge of the forest, where a mighty oak tree stood. "This oak tree is strong and steadfast because its roots run deep," he said. "To be truly rich, you must cultivate deep roots in your values, knowledge, and relationships. This stability will support you through life storms." Kenji reflected on these lessons and began to apply them in his daily life. He diligently learned new skills, helped his fellow monks, and invested his time in meaningful activities. He understood that wealth wasn't just about accumulating material possessions, but about creating value and making a positive impact. Over time, Kenji became known for his wisdom and generosity. He helped the monastery thrive, and his efforts brought prosperity to the community. He realized that his true wealth lay in his knowledge, relationships, and the positive ripples he created. One evening, as the sun set over the mountains, Kenji approached Master Ryota. "Thank you, Master, for teaching me how to be truly rich." Master Ryota smiled, his eyes filled with wisdom. "Remember, Kenji, true richness is not measured by what you have, but by what you give and the value you create. By cultivating patience, making wise investments, and grounding yourself in strong values, you will always be rich in the most meaningful way." And so, Kenji continued his journey, embodying the principles he had learned. His life became a testament to the true meaning of wealth, showing that real prosperity comes from patience, wise investments, and a deep-rooted sense of purpose.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Until next time, keep believing and stay radiant.